Dear students, we'll discuss on Model 3. So, Model 3 includes basic terms and definitions of leveling, methods of leveling, and different types of levels, that is, instruments which are using in surveying work, and curvature and refractions corrections also will be studied, and different types of leveling, that is simple leveling, differential leveling, profile leveling, fly leveling, and reciprocal leveling will be studied. First, we need to understand what is surveying. Surveying is a art of determining the relative position of the points above, below, and beneath surface of the earth by means of direct and indirect measurements. Direct and indirect measurements like distances, directions, and elevations. So, the Model 3 covers leveling. So, what do you mean by leveling? So, it is a branch of surveying. It is a branch of surveying or art of determining elevation of a points with respect to a assumed or given datum line. So, leveling is the branch of surveying, the objective of which is number one, to find the elevation of the given point with respect to given or assumed datum. And the second objective of this leveling is to establish the points at a given elevations or at different elevations with respect to given or assumed datum. That means the objective of first is deals with the work to be designed, and the second objective of leveling is deals with the setting out of all kinds of engineering works. For all engineering projects such as highway, railway works, canals, tunnels, and irrigation and drainage works, the elevation of different points along the alignment of the project are required. So, elevation can be found out by using leveling. So, once again, we'll discuss the definition of leveling. Leveling is the art of determining the elevation of points above or below with respect to datum line, or establishing in a given points of a required height above or below with respect to datum line. So it involves measurement vertical plane. So what is the principle of leveling? The principle level the principle of leveling is to be obtained horizontal line of sight with respect to which vertical distance of the points above or below this line of sight is found. So we will move on to basic terminologies we are using in leveling. So one by one we will discussing. So this figure shows all the basic terms which are using in leveling. First we'll move on to level surface. What do you mean by level surface? It is a curved surface and every element of which is normal to plumb line or direction of gravity. The surface of a still water is truly level surface. And next one is level line. A line lying in a level surface is called level line. Therefore, normal to the plumb line at all points, we can call it as level line. What do you mean by horizontal plane? It is a plane tangential to the level line at a point. We can call it as horizontal line. What do you mean by horizontal plane? It is a plane tangential to the level surface at a particular point. We can call it as horizontal plane. What do you mean by vertical line? It is a line normal to the level line at a point and it's defined by a plumb line. Vertical line also we can call it as plumb line. And the definition of vertical plane is a plane containing vertical lines is vertical plane. And the next terminal, basic terms, that is datum, is very important. Okay. Datum is a level surface with respect to which the levels of points are measured or referred to. It may be standard surface like mean sea level, that is MSL, or an arbitrary surface. Next one is elevation, or what is the definition of elevation? The elevation of a point on or near surface of the earth is its vertical distance above or below an arbitrary assumed level surface or datum is called elevation. We'll move on to leveling. We'll study on leveling instrument. Instrument that are commonly used in leveling are level and leveling staff. So, leveling instrument consists of four different parts. One is telescope, leveling tube, bubble tube, and a tripod. Different types of levels are used in leveling or surveying work are dumpy level or auto level, way level, reversible level, tilting level, auto level, and crushing level. So we will discuss on auto level or dumpy level. Dumpy level consists of a telescope, generally a internal focusing type, fixed on vertical spindle. Both telescope tube and vertical spindle are cast as a one piece. The leveling head consists of two parallel plates held apart by three leveling screws. The upper plate is called tri-batch and the lower plate is called trivet stage. Telescope can be rotated about its vertical axis in horizontal plane. The figure shows the parts of the dump level. There were 12 parts of the dump level. Number one is telescope, eyepiece, shade, objective, and longitudinal bubble. And sixth one is focusing screw. Seventh one is foot screws, upper parallel plates, and diaphragm adjusting screws. And 10th one is bubble tube adjusting screw. And 11th one is transverse bubble tube. And the last one is foot plate. This type of instruments are using in leveling. We will move on to parts of telescope. So it includes four different parts of telescope. Number one is objects, and the second one is eyepiece, and the third one is diaphragm, and fourth one is focusing device. So these are the four parts which are in telescope. So fundamentals of its axis of a level is vertical axis, axis of level tube, axis of telescope, and line of collimation or line of sight. We will discuss one by one. What do you mean by vertical axis? It is the central line of axis of notation of the level, and axis of level tube is an imaginary line tangential to the longitudinal curve of the tube and its middle point, it is horizontal when the bubble is central. And third one is axis of telescope. It is the line joining the optical center of the object glass and the center of eyepiece. And in fundamental axis of level, last one is line of collimation or line of sight. It is the line joining intersection of crosshairs and optical center of the object's glass. This one is new instruments which are using for leveling work, that is called auto level. The same different parts of uh, which is related to dump level is also in the same parts in the auto level. Other instrument like leveling staffs are very important in leveling or survey work. So leveling staff is a straight rod having graduations. The foot of the staff representing zero reading. During the leveling staff is held vertical at a point, and from leveling horizontal side is taken. Leveling staff may be divided into two groups. One is self-reading and the second one is target staff. What is self-reading? The self-reading staff is one which can be read directly by instrument man through the telescope. You can say self-reading staff. And what is staff? Target staff. A target staff contains a moving target against which the reading is taken by a staff man. Then we can say target staff. We can see the picture, the graduations on the staff, black and white. Each bandwidth is 5 mm in self-reading staff. Okay. In market, the self-reading staffs are available. About length is about 4 meter, 5 meter. In exceptional case, you can use up to 10 meters. We'll move on to next one is temporary adjustment of levels. Three important steps are to be followed while centering the instrument. Number one is setting up, second one is leveling up, and third one is focusing. Setting up is to set the tripod stand to convenient height by bringing bubble to the center of run through the movement of tripod legs radially. Leveling up, to make a vertical axis truly vertical, the leveling is made with help of foot screws. In leveling up involves the following procedure. First, you have to loosen the clamp and turn the instrument until bubble axis is parallel to line joining any two screws. And the second step is the turn the two screws inward or outward equally till bubble is centered. And the last step is in leveling up, turn the telescope through 90-degree so that it lies over the third screws. Repeat the procedure till the bubble should be centered. Till bubble is centered. Focusing, the operation of forming, bringing the clear image to the object in the plane of crosshairs is known as focusing. In focusing the eyepiece and focusing the object is important. Telescope in which the focusing is done by external movement of either objective eyepiece is known as external focusing. Telescope in which focusing is done by internal, the negative lens known as internal focusing. And the last one is we should concentrate on error due to curvature, okay, and error due to refraction. The horizontal line of sight does not remain slightly tends towards having connectivity towards the surface due to curvature. Error due to line of sight curved down towards the earth surface reading gets decreased to make the objects appear higher than they really are. This correction is applied to staff readings. That is CR is equal to 0.0112 D2, where D is the kilometer. So this first session will be till this